Keep it zeroed out. Hobao VTE, still on 6S, guys. It's been a while since we ran on 6S. We've been running for a couple of weeks now on 4S, 3S. So yeah, let's see if this car still, you know. Oops, I forget to put my extender. Alright, I just turn it around. Here we go, guys. Hobao VTE 6S pass. The road is too dusty, guys. I cannot see it once it passes over there. Too much sand, dust on the road due to, how do you call this, sandstorm, and it's not good to pass on high cell setup. It's barely on the road. It's almost went off road, but anyhow, let's get the car back and let's see how much we got. I think I will not run it anymore because I'm just waiting for it to crash on this driving environment. I will learn my lesson. I've learned my lesson. I crashed too many times. I will follow my guts. Because see, once it passes you by and then you cannot see the car because of the dust on its trail, you're just hoping for it to, you know, to go in the middle of the road, which is very risky. So anyhow, let's see how much we got on that one. Stop. Oh, stop and read. Yeah, I expected it because I'm barely controlling it to be in the middle of the road. So 139, not a good pass at all, but it is what it is, guys. Thanks.